god, guys. Look at this stuff. It's literally rained a river. Oh, it just rained oh man. You know what? I wish I was at my school. Like, if you have a bad habit of getting puddles, this would absolutely destroy my school. It's just... I wish, like, I would be there at my school, just watching over teachers suffer, or just leave, like, oh god, no, we're trapped now! This always happens on, like, a last day. This is, like, regular for me. But, woo-wee! So-wee! So-wee! Oh, but seriously, man, that's cold. Like, this is cold stuff. I don't know if you guys can tell. Oh, really deep here. This is like an exploring adventure. Oh, bag. Yeah, that's not gonna be in the water current. Not on my watch. What is this new Captain Sauce video? And I'm a Captain Sauce fan. You guys can't look at my subscribers thing because I blocked it off for you guys. Blocked it off to you guys. Mainly because, you know, like, oh man. I'm stepping on a bunch of rocks, which is painful. I know you guys cannot tell, but, like, I can see my feet again. Ooh. Woo! This is, look, it's literally like, oh, I should go check out mine. Yo, Sebastian! Wait, Sebastian, is that you? Yo, it just stopped raining. There's a literal river in our backyard, man. I'm in the back. Huh? Sebastian, there's a literal river here. A literal river. Look. It's a river. It's really deep also. Yeah, you kind of missed... I don't know if you were outside for, like, the giant, massive rainstorm, but holy smokes. It was massive. Are you wearing, like, one of those rubber suit things where, like, it kind of blocks off rain really well-y because it's like rubber?
What are you doing down here?
Oh, I'm filming a video. I mean, dude. Oh, God. Look. I mean, you're wearing boots. I'm wearing literally... I'm wearing literally nothing, man. You're full suited in. Mess is me. Hair wet, really wet. Feet destroyed. Feet destroyed. Basically everything you expect from me. So, Sebastian, how are you? I mean, wait, do you have a YouTube name? I'm just gonna call you Seb. So Seb, you should come over here. It's pretty damn deep. Well, guys, look at this. Look at me. Look how wet I am. You know what? At my school, there's probably like an actual there's like probably a pond there now.
Oh my God, at my school, I don't know when this was a couple months back. There's literally a pond in our school yard.
Yeah, but literally, there's probably a pond in like the front yard.
This is deep.
Oh man, like there's
It
probably
was fun,
but there is probably going to be a pond, like a. You know what? It's summer vacation. Why should I care about school?
I just realized I probably left my shoes. Live way too long.
Hey, yeah, you should probably get out here. You should be wearing rain boots or nothing. Oh, this is a deep area over here. Like, you see this? This is a pretty big deep area. Don't go over here. And I gotta say, there's a literal river in like the back alley. You know what? You know how I said I'm gonna call my friend like this stuff? Okay, now this is nice. You know, it was so loud. You guys probably couldn't even hear me in the first video. Ooh-wee. I'm standing in this little tarmac thing. It's kind of soaked in growth, but it's way better than stepping on a bunch of rocks. Oh, and also over here. My mom's gonna be pissed off at me. Actually, I'm gonna go look at like the after damage, because look at that. Like it was so, you know, like my stand usually doesn't really record raindrops that well, but this was so heavy and so deep that it actually recorded it. And holy smokes. Oh my, I just realized this is going to be, I wonder what's gonna happen. you know, like, happen here. Okay, now this is nice. Stepping on some, like, sand, that's okay. Stepping on rocks, painful. Oh, what about the actual river? It's probably gotten a bit more like you know, like the Bow River, like the Calvary River, or whatever it's called again. Imagine that. Imagine, like, it probably got like a foot deeper or a foot like taller. I'm gonna go see the after damage of. I mean, you know how I pointed out how basically my entire place was like soaking. Like at first it was nothing much. Now look at this. Look at all this. This is like small. Yo, Sebastian. Quick question. Since you were out here, when you were like first-hand experiencing, what was it like? Like, how deep was it for you? Sebastian? Yo, Seb. Pretty deep, huh? Yeah. I'm gonna go see, like, go see what happened to. Ow, spiky. I'm gonna go see what happened to my drain, to like the drain pipes. This thing's probably gonna die after this. That's me. Just okay. Look at this. Whoa! It's literally like you can jump here. Oh, man. It's so wet and mushy. You can literally make a pothole here. Oh, I like. Ow! Ah. Yep. Whoa. That was pretty damn bad, guys. You know, I usually don't really deal with this stuff in my videos, but wait. I'm actually ow. Still got some spikes in my foot. You know, from when I stepped on the thing. Do you have like is this to my foot? What's on my foot? Ow. Ow. Listen here. Listen, yeah. Just, yeah, it rose. Whew. I'll see you guys all next time.